I'm really pleased to mark the launch of the new Master's Programme in Global Business Communications.
This joint academic program between the Jazeera Media Institute and the prestigious University of Aberdeen is a significant step towards achieving our shared goal.
To build the students' charisma, confidence and media training by allowing them to experience and learn in our state-of-the-art facility with our highly experienced trainers.
The degree perfectly matches academic grounding from an ancient university with professional experience from one of the world's leading media organizations.
Providing resources and training to the leaders of tomorrow.
With the most modern facilities, up-to-date technology, recording studios and presenting studios, you will experience opportunities beyond your expectations.